So here's how you can transfer the voice memos from the iPhone to the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it, how it works, and show you an example. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So a lot of people know that you can enable the synchronization of the voice memos when you check out the settings app, your profile, iCloud, and all the apps. You can enable it and you can share like different stuff between your devices over iCloud. So the voice memos are in here as well. And when you now record a voice memo on the Apple Watch, it will be synced to the iPhone. That is pretty obvious and works well. But on the other hand, if you want to do it in the other direction, like get it from the iPhone to the watch, that is a different story and it doesn't work the same way. Instead, we need to find some workaround to share the voice recording to the Apple Watch. Actually, more ways how you can technically do it, but the best way for me is to just share it over iMessage to myself, right? So you can literally have a conversation with yourself over iMessage. So it would just look like this. You would open the voice memos on the iPhone, click on the individual one you want to put on the watch, tap the three dots, click share, and choose the messages. From the chat, you literally just select yourself, send it over iMessage, and of course, it will be part of the messages now. This gets synced automatically to the watch, so you can just grab the Apple Watch, check out the conversation and the thread, and you will be able to see the voice memo there. So you'll be able to click on it, play, pause, adjust the volume. It works well and gets the job done, even though it's a bit of a workaround. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.